I will pull up in the coupe and shoot out the roof. I got FN 57 and Glock 19 too. Don't forget about my KSG and I got a AK too. So salute to my young niggas chasing they loot. And this is Quayway TV, so niggas stay tuned. Quayway gang, bro. What's up with y'all, bro? I'm not finna yell, bro. It's still morning time. I just got up not too long ago. I want to show y'all that little surprise, man. I've been wanting to show y'all, but I've been working, so I couldn't get around to it. But without further ado, we're gonna get to it. I said I had something, bro. You know, chill. Y'all probably like, we already seen that. Look, I know y'all already seen it. It still look the same, trust me. Yes, I got my bullets in, but it's clear. I don't keep it in the safe like that, so don't worry about it. So it's definitely clear, but I just want to show y'all I got another surprise. I bought some more ammo. Nah, that's not a surprise. So I bought some more ammo, 100 rounds for $44 at my local gun shop. So right now I'm just trying to get my ammo up. There is another weapon out there I'm trying to get. A lot of y'all know I still want that Kriss Vector. And right now it's a Kriss Vector I'm going for. And I'm going for the Glock 43X. So y'all will see those shortly. But that's not a surprise. I'll be back. Oh yeah, you already know what this box is. A lot of y'all know. I'm gonna give y'all a little fake unboxing video real quick. Cause it wasn't in the box, it was in the safe. You know what that is, don't you? It comes with one mag. I got those hollow points. One mag, PMag 30. 7.62 by 39. Brand new out the box. All oily. It's still, I don't know why the fuck it's so oily. I guess they was cleaning it down every day. The local gun shop started with 4, then it went down to 3. So I guess they was taking good care of these, cleaning them every day. I don't know why. I mean, I appreciate it, but this motherfucker is oily, as you can see. And I had to wipe it down, it's still oily. But anyway, like I said, man, Micro Draco 7.62 by 39 from Romania. Straight from Romania. They made it with their own little hands and gave it to Quayway. They fuck with the boy. Why I keep saying Micro Draco? My bad, y'all. Mini Draco. My bad. I'm tripping. Early in the morning, I'm tripping. It was put together with the 2020 parts, so this year's parts it was put together with. So it was brand spanking new, like I said. It's clear. Slide the safety up. Those little safety, the AK safety mark that they always make, cause it scrape against your gun, probably piss you off a little bit. I put that there. This was Sprankin' Band. Nobody messed with it. I put that there. Like I said, man, made from Romania. Oily as hell. I haven't even took it together. I mean, I haven't took it apart. Haven't even shot it yet. I'm gonna put a brace. So for this weapon, in order to put the brace, I have to unscrew the bolt that's inside the handle. It's gonna come down a little. Then I slide the brace underneath this little area, this little gap, tighten it back. Then I have my brace because there's no hole here to put the brace on. Look at this wood grain. Tell me if you've seen another one like that before. Now, my local gun shop did have a micro with the crazy wood grain. Like, it was crazy. Like, it was nice, but they wanted $1,000 for it. This one I had on layaway for a month. I think they wanted 8 something. I want to say 850, but they wanted 8 something. It's not on the box. The receipt, I had the receipt, but I put it somewhere. I know where it's at, but I have it somewhere. They wanted 8 something, but my total ended up coming to 907, and I had it on layaway for a month, so I got that taken care of. And some stuff on it. It's a nice gun, bro. Like I said, brand new. Hey man, what can I say, Micro Draco? Quit, say Micro Draco again, nigga. I'm gonna punch you. Mini Draco. Mini Draco, bro. Yup. That's what it is, y'all. I'm gonna do some videos on this. I'm gonna get a brace for it. Y'all will see me shoot this. Like I said, without further ado. You know, the mama, a lot of people was talking crap about this AK here. Talking about it's a ticking time bomb and it's not good quality and all that shit. I don't give a fuck, to be honest. A weapon is a weapon. It's gonna protect my home and it's gonna throw some bullets. So yes, this came from Century. That did not. My Draco did not. But this is still gonna throw bullets. At the end of the day, I just wanted an AK. I'm an AK person, not an AR. So when I got this AK, it made me happy. So all of that, okay, it's not a good quality weapon. After I bought the gun, I did my research. So, oh well, there's gonna be plenty more AKs coming into my life. So it is what it is. A lot of y'all be buying those high points. I don't say shit to y'all about that. Those high points, trash as hell. Not only the pistols, the rifles are trash as hell. Y'all be buying those shits. So I don't say shit about that. Them damn guns ugly as fuck. But hey, whatever you like, get it. I mean, shit. I wanted an AK, I went for it. So, okay, this might not be a good quality AK, but at the end of the day, it's gonna protect what I needed to protect. Especially if I'm not running the fuck out of it. I'm not gonna be running 8,000, 10,000 rounds through this motherfucking rifle. So, like I said, man, get what you like, get what you can afford. This was what could be afforded at the time. It was a gift. I like it. I love it. Hey, my first AK. So, and now my second AK, and I bought this one myself. So, like I said, 907. They was going up. I remember when they was $650 on Gunbroker. I mean, not Gunbroker, on Grab a Gun. It was $650. Now they're stacked, 1,100 stacked. So, you know, I'm an investment type and I love guns. So this suited me. I had to go for it. But anyway, so, you know, I got my steel tip in there. This my, what's this called again? My Vizca AK. Then my Mini Draco. And I'm probably gonna get one of those. I'm probably gonna get one of those little rails to put on it, so I can put some type of sight, like I mean, this sight not bad, and then again, I haven't shot with it, so I probably want to put a red dot. I don't know, I have to look into it. I'm gonna change out this muzzle brake. Well, this is a flash hider, it's bird cage or whatever. But I'm gonna put a better muzzle brake up there, put the brace up there. I'm not a gun expert. I'm still learning. I love the gun world. So at the end of the day, I'm gonna be a part of it. So whatever gun I bring onto my channel, I just ask that y'all respect it. If y'all gonna be a part of this community that I'm in, with me anyway on my channel. So shit. Hey bro, I appreciate every one of y'all. Appreciate the love. Appreciate the comments, the likes, who is watching. I'm gonna grow. I'm gonna be better one day.
It just takes time. I don't know how the fuck a lot of y'all getting all these followers, but I need your help. I mean, all these subscribers, but I need your help. But anyway, Mini Draco. All right, I'm out.